Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 18. A ball is projected horizontally from the top of a hill with a velocity of 20 meters per second. If it reaches the ground 4 seconds later, what is the height of the hill? Now take acceleration due to gravity to be equal to 10 meters per second. Option A says 20 meters, B says 40 meters, C 80 meters, and D 160 meters. Now using S is equals to ut plus half at square, but since we are dealing with gravity here, so it will be equals to S is equals to ut plus half gt square. So g, the acceleration due to gravity, is replacing acceleration because we are dealing with height. Now because we are dealing with height, which is a horizontal component due to gravity, we will not be using what this ut, so we'll be using h is equals to half gt square, because we're trying to find the height of the hill. Remember, the ball was projected horizontally from the top of the hill. Now the height h will be equals to half multiplied by g, which is 10, multiplied by t square, and that is 4 square. So this is equals to half multiplied by 10 times 16. 10 times 16. So that means h is equals to half multiplied by 160, and that is equals to 160 all over 2, which is equals to 80 meters. So the height of the hill is 80 meters, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.